Alright, beauties, here's my beautiful box. Thank you to the carrier for going ahead and opening it for me. If you're unfamiliar with the Boxycharm, OG Boxycharm, this is $27.99 a month for 5 full-size makeup and beauty items. I'm literally just, I guess, going to dump the stuff out and hope that nothing's broken and or missing. Alright, beauties, I forgot that this was a BoxyLuxe month, and the BoxyLuxe is $49.99 for 8 full-size products, and that is a quarterly box. So I'm just going to start with what's right in front of me. This is the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. It's kind of beat up, so hopefully everything is okay. And this is a skin clearing facial wash for blemish prone skin. I don't typically use things like this because I do have very, very dry skin, and I feel like these can tend to dry the skin out. So this will go in my pay it forward pile. Next up, we have something from Patrick Ta. How exciting. I really love Patrick Ta products. The blush is fantastic. And this is a Major Glow Lip Shine, and it is in the shade She's Expensive. I'm going to open it so we can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful kind of sheer goldy champagne shade. This kind of reminds me of my Jouer one that I have. So even though I don't typically like this type of product as far as like having glitters in it, I think because I like the Jouer one so much, I'm going to keep this. So that is super exciting. Next up, we have a product from Nars. This is a lipstick in the shade Raw Seduction. It is a satin lipstick, and I'm also going to put this in my pay it forward pile. Next up is this product from Day. This is a Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. Calms frizz, softens and hydrates, protects hair from breakage. I'm excited to try this out. I don't use these all the time. Now because my hair is au naturel. But I think I'm going to test it out. If you've tested this, please let me know. And it is also a heat protectant, so that is really cool. Next up is a palette from Rare Beauty. It is a Discovery eyeshadow palette in Come to Play. I have not tried any of their eyeshadows, and as a whole, I really do think that Rare Beauty is a beautiful brand. I've had some hits and misses, but overall, wonderful experiences. Alright, so that is what the outer packaging looks like. It's actually way smaller than I anticipated these being. I have pretty small hands, and it's the size of my hand, so it's pretty small. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to think on this. I would love to test out the formulation, but if this is a pressed glitter, I'm definitely not going to be using that. And I feel like tonally it's just a little bit light, so I don't know. If you've tested this though, let me know. Next up is the, I don't know how to say this, limited collection BU. 3 full-size and 3 mini makeup blenders. I do want to see what this looks like. I'm pretty sure I've never heard of this brand, but it says Be Unique, Be United, Be You. Oh, I love that. Here at UV, I hope is how you say it, Beauty, we want to empower and dare you to be your true self. We developed the BU collection in support and solidarity with our LGBTQ plus community to help keep the beauty space safe and free where you can always be proudly you. I love that. Reduces acne, blends 2 times better, saves up to 3 times makeup, and they are vegan and non-toxic. So I'm going to see what these look like. I'm literally just going to dump it. That is too freaking cute, y'all. I think I'm going to keep the yellow sponge because, you know, it's my favorite color. And I think I'm going to keep the purple because that's Caleb's favorite color. I'll go ahead and put these right back in the box. And I will also put those in my pay it forward pile. We have 2 more things left. So far, I feel like this is a really good box. This is Dew of the Gods. We recently got something from them, I think in our Ipsy, I'm pretty sure. It is a Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask. Oh, that sounds nice. Is it for the hair or for the skin? Okay, for the skin. That looks really cool. Okay, I'm super intrigued by this. I think I may keep this. And then, I don't know what this is. Oh, Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. It is a cream blush and a highlighter. All right, here is the outer packaging. I think that is so freaking pretty. And I'm going to carefully open this up. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I don't know. Because if this is super sparkly, I definitely will not use it as an actual highlighter. I don't like glittery highlights. I like a more glass-like highlight. But I do love cream blush. I think I'm gonna sit on this as well. So far, I think I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. The Dew of the Gods, I'm gonna keep. The Rare Beauty is also in my maybe pile. You guys let me know, sound off down below. And then in the sponges, I'll keep a couple, and the rest are gonna go in my pay it forward pile. The Patrick Ta, now that I'm looking at it, because I do have my Jouer, I'm gonna go ahead and pass it along as well and put that in the pay it forward pile. The Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner, I'm gonna keep. The Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash will go in the pay it forward pile. And the Nars lipstick will also go in my pay it forward pile. I think overall, this is a fantastic box. We got a tool, we got some makeup, we got skincare, we've got more makeup, we have hair care, we have skin, and we have makeup. I think that's a well-balanced box. What do you guys think? I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.